What's going on, guys? Today we are talking 2019 Hot Wheels C-Case cars, and there are some great ones to look out for, so let's get into it. The first one is the T-Fox 2017 Nissan GT-R R35 Guaczilla. Now, some people might be a little confused by this one. It first came out as a premium model in the Tanner Fox box, and now is a mainline car for the C-Case. Up next, we have a little red JDM legend, the 88 Honda CRX from Nightburners, which is new for 2019. The Nissan Fairlady Z returns in a yellow color with black stripes and black wheels, and it's part of the Nissan series. Then there is a Golf Racing HW Speed Graphics edition of the 68 Chevy Nova, followed up by the basic edition of the Super Treasure Hunt for the C-Case, the HW Roadster's Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. And as you can see here, the regular edition is yellow, while the Super Treasure Hunt has golden specked flame paint, so that'll be a fun one to look for. Also new for the C-Case is a white Muscle Mania 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback, a rusted out red custom Volkswagen Beetle, a new orange and yellow color of the Experimotors the Hollinator, a new blue HW Moto Ducati 1199 Panigale, one of my personal favorite new Hot Wheels, the HW Ride-On's wheelie chair based on Aaron Wheels, who is a real-life wheelchair athlete. Another really awesome car is the 2018 Copo Camaro SS, which is a real-life car based on Hot Wheels, now made into this Hot Wheels model. And for the truck fans, Baja Blazers includes a new color of the 87 Dodge D100 truck. Now, these next few photos show off a bunch of cars from the C-Case, and some of them are new to the case, while others are carryovers from the previous case. On the left side is the 68 Chevy Nova, hovering out, the custom Volkswagen Beetle and tire shredder. Down the middle is the Audi Sport Quattro, a green Sandivore, the Ford Torino Talladega, and a 2018 Camaro SS. Then on the right is the Super Chrome's Electrac, the Hollinator, Guaczilla, and a 95 Mazda RX-7. Moving on to the next batch, we have the Sandivore, the 2018 Copo Camaro SS, the Flash Drive, and the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. In the middle is the blue X-Racer, the yellow Moon Eyes Volkswagen Käfer Racer, the Star Trek USS Enterprise, and a 2005 Ford Mustang. And on the right is the Shelby GT500, hovering out, the Skyline GT-R R34, and the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. There are even more great cars such as the custom 72 Chevy Love, the white Skyline R30, the 2018 Camaro SS, and the 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. Down the center is the bike Tread Shredder, the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, Roller Toaster, and the Dino Rider Fangster. Then once again a 2005 Ford Mustang, a 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback, a Justice League Batmobile, and a 67 Shelby GT500. This next batch shows a brand new Dodge Little Red Express truck, the Ducati, the Track Ripper, and the Groomobile. In the middle column, we have a new El Viento, the 72 Ford Ranchero, a new 71 Mustang Funny Car, and a Super Chrome Electrac. Over on the right is the brand new wheelie chair, the Volkswagen Golf GTI, the Carbonator, and Too Tough. The final few cars are the Volkswagen Beetle Pickup, Motosaurus, the Honda CRX, the Minecart, High Beam, and the Dodge D100 truck. So there you have it, guys. That is a breakdown of the brand new Hot Wheels cars for the 2019 Hot Wheels C-Case. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.